Welcome to part 2 of our Linux find command tutorial. If you missed our previous video, please go back, watch it, and don't forget to share and subscribe for more practical Linux tutorials. Example 1. Find files accessed in the last 2 days. The find time2 command lists files that were accessed within the last 2 days. Command find time2. Try running this command in your terminal and see how it works. Example 2. Find files accessed more than 10 days ago. The find time+10 command searches for files that were accessed more than 10 days ago. Command find time+10. Try running this command in your terminal and see how it works. And searches for files between 1 MB and 5 MB in size. 3. Find files with a specific size range, 1 MB to 5 MB. The find size +1M size 5 MB command searches for files between 1 MB and 5 MB in size. Command find size +1M size 5 MB. Try running this command in your terminal and see how it works. Example 4. Find files with a specific extension, case insensitive. The find ename.txt command searches for files ending with the .txt extension, ignoring case sensitivity. Command find ename.txt. Try running this command in your terminal and see how it works. Example 5. Find files newer than a reference file. The find are newer demo files are text.txt command lists files that are newer than demo files are text1.txt. Command find newer demo files are text1.txt. Try running this command in your terminal and see how it works. Example 6. Find and delete all .log files. Be cautious. The find name.log delete command deletes all files ending with the .log extension. Be cautious when using this command. Command find name.log delete. Try running this command in your terminal and see how it works.